Welcome to On the Surf. I'm Jimmy.
And I'm Sandra.
This is the kids, Hector and Jack. And these are the dogs. Follow us on our adventures on the seas. Please like, share and subscribe. It's free. Stay tuned. Yeah, we're gonna talk a little bit about my solar charging setup. This is the solar panel. It's 100, the specs is 140 watts, 12 volt. It puts out maximum 20 volts. And I have a MPPT charger from Bever. There it is. And this charger is a 20 amp charger. It can handle, let's see where the specs is, maximum 100 volts input, and it can put out 12 volt and 24 volts. I didn't really know why MPPT chargers or regulators was so much better than the cheaper PWM charger, but now when I have run this the entire summer and checked on the display, it's quite amazing actually. And as you can see now, the battery is quite low. It's early in the morning, running the heater, so the battery voltage is about 12.5 I should guess, and the charging voltage right now is 12.7. It's just above the battery voltage. The battery from the solar panels is a little bit flexing, 18-19 volts, depends on the sun. And as you can see, the panel puts out a little bit over 2 amps, basically nothing, but the amps going into the battery is 4.5 amps, so it's almost double the input. When we're talking amps, that's basically the one thing you need to carry about, because batteries and everything is measured in amps. So you see, output from the solar panel is 3 amps, but the power going in to the battery is about 4.5 to 5 amps, so nearly double the amount. And as you can see now, the battery, the sun has been lit for a couple of hours, so the battery voltage is climbing, so the amps going into the battery is dropping. That is the advantage with the MPPT solar regulator. When the battery is empty, you get an insane amount of power going into the battery because it's regulating down the voltage. I didn't want to go into really deep dive in this solar charge battery mumbo jumbo, but if you're interested in that, I can do a full episode just on wires, gauges, batteries, switches and all those kinds of stuff. If you want, leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe, share this channel with your friends. If you like this, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe if you already hasn't, and don't forget to share this channel with your friends. Yeah, stay tuned. because winter is coming here in Sweden. So now it's boat fix season, boat building season again. See you next week.